Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss how to change a group of any user. So like we are having Tom, Amit, test 3 users we are having in our system which is already present. This is a UID, this is a group. Okay, so all users are having their own group. So how will change that group? For that we will use user mode -G. We'll change the group to Amit for a Tom user. Okay, now ID Tom. Okay, now Tom user is part of Amit group, but here it's a primary group also got changed. I don't want Tom user to be part of a Amit group as a primary group. Okay, so we'll roll back the thing first. User mode -G primary group. Okay, Tom of a Tom user. I did Tom. Okay, it's got rollback. Let me clear my screen. So I want my secondary group to get changed. User mode -G for secondary group Amit and username is Tom. ID Tom, you see it's showing UID Tom, primary group is Tom, group Tom and Amit. Okay, we are having another group called test. Again I have changed. Okay, it got overwritten like Amit got replaced with the test. Okay, but I want this Tom user to be part of primary group Tom, secondary group Amit and test. So how we'll do that? Because if I do like Amit again here, it will override the thing. Test will go out. See, Tom. Test is gone, Amit came. So what's the thing? So I have run to test G and A for append. A doesn't exist. G hyphen A. Okay. A capital G. This is the perfect command. Now what is this? User is Tom. Okay, and it's become part of Amit, which was already there, and test. So if you want to append the secondary group, you have to use A, otherwise it will get keep on replacing each to one or to another. Okay, now Tom user is part of Tom UID, group is Tom, secondary group is Amit and test. Okay, we can a user can have only one primary group and can have n number of secondary group. So for primary group small g, for secondary group capital G. If you want to append 2 or 3, you can use -A capital G. So idea. Now again I will show you user mode -A capital A capital G Tom. Okay, and Amit ID Amit. Okay, same I want to do with the primary group. Will it work? No, because a user can have only one primary group and some secondary group, not the. Okay, so -A is for append, group ID, groups. So you can use this command. If you fire it, oh sorry. So you can use this command. If you fire it again and again, it will not make any change. It will keep on giving the same output. Okay, see, there's no change. It's keep like n number of time you are using command, but it's not making a change because you are using the same command. So it will not keep on appending. So this is how you can change the primary group of a user, and you can add that user to other groups. Now you'll ask what's the benefit. Okay, so as I have shown you, every file is having owner, group and others permission. So like this is having read permission. Okay, this group is having read write execute. Okay, group is root here. So if Tom user try to access some file which is created by Amit user and Amit is given a permission to group, so whoever is part of that Amit group will able to read, write, execute whatever permission set on the file. So in this manner we can add a user to part of some other group, and he will get the permissions on those file which is like having permission on those group. Let me show you something. Okay, slash bin bash. Okay, cd slash tmp. Okay, okay, touch a ls-la. Now the user is having read write, others are group are also having read write. So Amit, okay, let me become root again. ID Tom. Tom is also part of Amit user, so I will become Tom bin bash. Okay, cd slash temp ll ls-la. Okay, if you see ID, so I can read this file and write also. See, this is Tom. Let's save this file. Okay, and get a. Now ID. Okay, so we'll do ID test. Test is not anything. ID Amit, ID Tom. So Tom is part of that Amit group. Okay, so he got the right access, but test is not there. So if I become test slash bin slash bash, okay, vi slash tmp a. See, for this user is just read only because it is not part of that group, and is now okay. So test is not part of Amit group. So test is on test we are having permission of read because it became others for this file. So that's how you can set permissions and you can give permission to part of that group user. That's why it's important. Okay, and try to create multiple things. If you are having like if you are feeling some help required, put that thing in a comment. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.